What's the meaning of Burt Lancaster? Burt Lancaster. Burt Lancaster.
Burt Lancaster. Burt Lancaster. Burt Lancaster was an American actor and filmmaker who rose to prominence in the 1940s and 1950s. He appeared in over 80 films and won an Academy Award for Best Actor in 1960 for his role in the film Elmer Gantry. Lancaster was known for his rugged good looks, athletic physique, and charismatic screen presence. He starred in classic films such as From Here to Eternity, The Birdman of Alcatraz, and Judgment at Nuremberg. Lancaster also co-founded a production company and advocated for civil rights causes. He remains a revered icon of Hollywood's golden age.